Detach the charger by pushing the NexCore leftward, guided by the blue reminder stickers. We provide components to assist with installation. Mark where to put the backplate on the wall, drill in the provided wall anchors, then line up the backplate and screw it in. Choose one entry and remove the ceiling plug. Cut the ceiling plug so it fits snugly around the cable. Reinsert the cut ceiling plug back into the entry. If the cable has flexible conductors, you can use ferrules to assist with the connection. Insert the cable through the cut ceiling plug, connecting each cable to the corresponding slot, and tighten the screws. Ensure all backplates match the phase sequence of the distribution board to avoid load balancing issues. This illustration is for general guidance. Please refer to local regulations for specific installation requirements. Secure the cable to the backplate using the provided cable clamp. Please ensure that the wiring order remains consistent when connecting chargers in parallel. NexBlue EV chargers are equipped with Wi-Fi, built-in 4G eSIM, and Ethernet connectivity options. If you need to use Ethernet, run the Ethernet cable through the bottom ceiling plug that separates from the main connection and plug it into the terminal. The multifunction terminal is designed for market-specific features, such as wired CT clamps and load shedding. Insert the cable through the bottom ceiling plug, which separates from the main connection, before connecting the multifunction plug. Ferrules should be used during the connection process. Please follow the instructions in the Installer Manual for the connection. Once the wiring is finished, the backplate and NexCore should be reattached together and the NexCore pushed to the right until a click is heard. It's important to ensure that it's tightly closed with no gaps. Tighten 2 anti-theft screws at the bottom to secure the whole charger. Please download the Installer app or pre-configure it on the Partner Portal, referring to the commissioning guide to complete the configuration. If your configuration isn't complete, the charger will display a breathing yellow light. Once you finish all installation and configuration steps, the charger will show a constant white light. Congratulations!